bringing air into the furnace.
Uh-huh.
We have the filter down here.
Right.
And we've got a pretty scary looking electrical connection right there.
Hmm.
Now that outlet is supplying power to the condensation pump.
Right.
Okay? This is, see, like I said, there's no drain on this floor anymore.
Yeah.
So water has nowhere to go.
Right.
Can we put a drain in here or no?
I guess you might be able to
could.
dig one and maybe,
If you did
maybe,
waterproofing and they put a sump pump in,
Okay.
that's basically a drain.
Okay.
It's like a pump that
That would
expels water.
that
So.
would help. But what they're doing is, when you run the air conditioning in the summertime, it creates a lot of condensate water. So that water comes down and goes into this pump. This is the condensation pump. So that's pumping the water up through this tube and out into the backyard.
Okay.
Okay? Because it has nowhere to go in here.
Mhm.
This is a Duquesne natural gas furnace. And what I was going to mention to you was we have a vibration boot here. This is designed to, because when this thing runs, it kind of rumbles a little bit.
Mhm.
And they don't want all that vibration to be translated through the ductwork all through the house. It'd be too loud.
Yeah.
So they put these boots here. There's a rubber one in here. This one looks like it maybe has some asbestos in it.
Ah,
So you might want to have that tested. I can give you some information upstairs for a laboratory.
there's a-
Where did the asbestos come from?
It's like
It's,
around
it's,
that.
it's in here. It's woven into this material.
Okay.
I think. That's what it looks like.
Ah.
I've seen it before.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
And you're pretty confident, yeah. Hmm.
Well, the furnace is working very well.
Okay.
Heated up very nicely
Mhm.
to 120 degrees.
Well, that's good.
This is Duquesne. And they make a decent product. They make gas grills too. Did you know that?
Mm-mm.
You're like a Weber person, I think.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we've had our Weber for
Years, right?
at least 15 years.
Yeah, us too.
And furnace is from 2011.
Oh, that's good.
How did you have asbestos then?
No, just that
This is
boot thing.
this is the
That-
older
that-
portion here.
Oh,
So
to
this
replace
part,
that.
this unit right here, this like metal piece here, that's the new part. This part, like the ductwork and all this, that's gonna be old.
Let's see how we look inside.
Now, do you work with any electricians or plumbers?
Jim, do you work with electricians and plumbers?
I
No?
don't.
Oh, okay.
Don't. Well, I used to know an electrician. I used to work with them a while back. He did a lot of electrical work at my house, but he's in Florida now.
No, they do.
See this? This is
Yeah.
the cover that's supposed to be right there. All right, well, inside here looks very, very nice. This is the filter that filters the air before it goes through the machine. When you change the filters, you want to make sure, first of all, you need to know when to change them. These pleated filters like this, these are designed with a 90-day duration. So you change them 4 times a year. And no matter what kind of filter you put in, it's going to have an airflow indicator on it to tell you that the air wants to go through it this way. So what you want to remember is that you're filtering the air before it goes into the machine. The airflow is always going
Into the machine.
that way.
Right.
Okay?
Good.
Put this back together.
Ooh, it's interesting.
This is the draft induction fan. This pulls the exhaust gas through the heat exchanger and blows it up through this pipe and into the wall to go up that flue, that chimney flue that's outside. So the ignition sequence goes like this. When the furnace is getting ready to start, the first thing that happens is this little fan here starts to run like it's doing right now. Okay? What it's doing a little diagnostic test. It's making sure that there's a clear path to send the exhaust gas, and then it's sending a signal down to the computer board. The next thing that happens when it's ready is the computer will send a signal to ignite the electronic igniter that's down in here. It's usually like an orange glow that you see back in there right now. Once that gets hot enough, the gas meter, the gas valve opens up and spits the gas across these jets, and it just starts burning gas into the heat exchanger.
Wow. You have to be a mechanical engineer or something.
There it is.
Okay.
So we have 6 bright blue guns down here, and they're shooting just fine.
Is that actual fire?
Yeah, in here. You want to see it?
Oh yeah.
Just like the gas range when you turn it on and burn the gas. Burns blue.
Yeah, this whole setup here is kind of.
Don't get rid of that.
You know, they just like.
Well, I mean, this is usually, right? Drywall, drywall, drywall.
Yeah.
Put a door here, right?
Yeah. You have to have like a louver door, which is like a vented door. Anytime there's like anything in the water systems, because that keeps hot water here. See how that's vented there? So your door is going to be. You've probably seen them like probably in your laundry room. Is it kind of like slotted door like that? No. Or okay, downstairs.
Well, our house, this is just covered.
Okay, but like when you go and is it in the garage? The actual, it's like when you walk in, right? There's like toward the garage. There's a door with like slots like this. It's not vented.
No.
Oh, that's weird. It's usually code that you have to. Well, I'll ask them. Yeah, because see, like the waistline and all this is right here and there, so you can easily do bathroom and kitchen, waste and water.
Check this wall down, right?
You can tell me that just
The water heaters in 2010.
Oh, good. Well, your main things, 11 and 10, are relatively new,
Okay.
and the roof, you said is in good shape. So
Yeah,
that's a good
that
thing.
is new too.
Too. So you got a new roof, new water heater, and new heat